मदद की 1998 में अल्लाह के फजल से हमने न्यूक्लियर एक्सप्लोजन किया और अल्लाह के फजल से इंडोनेशिया से लेकर मोरक्को तक मुसलमानों ने इस तरह चरागा किया जैसे पूरी उम्मत मुस्लिमों में ईद का दिन उस दिन था 28 मई 1998 फलस्तीन के बच्चों ने इसराइल को मुखातिब करके कहा था नाउ वी आर अ न्यूक्लियर पावर डोंट लुक एट द स्टोन्स इन आवर हैंड्स लुक एट द बॉम्ब इन पाकिस्तान वी आर कमिंग आफ्टर यू
Her yer ihtilaf, şer ve istila. Bence bir liman. Gerçekte kitapta.
By the Pakistani army.
Okay, wonderful. So, Wing Commander, you hail from which place in India?
Am I supposed to tell you this, Major? I'm sorry. I'm from down south.
You're from down south?
Yeah.
Okay. And are you married?
Yes, I am.
You're married?
Yes.
Okay. I hope you like the tea.
The tea is fantastic. Thank you.
Okay. And now coming over to some specifics. Which aircraft you were flying?
I'm sorry, Major. I'm not supposed to tell you this, but I'm sure you found the wreckage.
And what was your mission?
I'm sorry, I'm not supposed to tell you this.
Okay. Thank you.
The officers of the Pakistani army have looked after me very well. They are thorough gentlemen, starting from